Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix CarPlay not working in your Porsche. This solution will work for the Porsche Cayenne, Porsche Macan, Panamera, 911, 718, Boxster, and the Porsche Cayman. So if you guys have any of these models, just follow the steps I'm going to show you. So what you need to do, guys, first of all, is just go to your driver's screen. I'm just gonna turn it on like this, and then we're going to follow the steps right here. So continue as a guest, use online, and then once you're here, just go to your home section first of all, and then here you're gonna find all of these apps. Here you're gonna find devices. Get a click, and then once you're here, you're gonna find the device you're connected to, and you can also connect new devices from here. If Apple CarPlay is not working on your device, you can try to remove the device and add it again. If you want to remove the device, just click on settings right here, and then here you're gonna find remove devices. Give it a click, select the device you want to remove, and click on remove selection, and then just go back and click on connect new device, select Apple CarPlay, and it should be working. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.